So I'm very happy today to share with you one of the flagship and successful projects that has been implemented by the Department of Mechanical Engineering with its partners and was undertaken for Innovate UK Energy Catalyst Night program. So what we are doing is to electrify cooking sector in institutions. So we have implemented solar PV here that is helping us to cook, and by so doing, we are having zero emissions, and we are also improving the health of the cooks at the kitchen, because at first when they used to cook with biomass, which were they had a lot of black smoke coming and affecting their health. But now that they are cooking with solar, all the dishes of the black smoke has been removed, and now everything is going on fine. So it's a good news for us as a nation, Ghana, because we have our net zero framework, and we are helping in all sectors to achieve this framework. Thank you very much, and I'll be sure the best.
Hi, my name's Ian Burnett. I'm the principal at IBEX Limited, an energy and carbon consultant based in the UK. We've been working on the Ghana Goals project to ensure that the benefits of clean, low-carbon electricity are available across schools and communities in Ghana, and in particular that they will bring improved benefits in things like the reduction of deforestation, improvements in local air quality with associated health benefits, and overall mitigation to climate change.
Welcome to the commissioning of the Ghana Goals project. My name is Rajvand and I'm the Director of Consortio, who is also the project lead on Ghana Goals. This project has a special place in my heart because I grew up on the KNUST campus, and indeed my father was a lecturer in the Mechanical Engineering department. I congratulate all the team on a successful fruition, and I look forward to seeing you all in October when I'm able to make a trip to Ghana. Good luck and have a great day.
One of the key objectives of Ghana Goals is to reduce carbon emission and also empower women from their health challenges when cooking with firewood and then LPG. With the firewood, they complain of a lot of smoke affecting them. Without this support from the Innovate UK and then the various partners, the Consortium Limited, the IBEX UK, and then KNUST and EEK, we will not get to where we are to achieve the objective of this project. We are grateful for all the partners, and then you come, you enjoy e-cooking with the entire secondary school. Our plea with investors, our plea with organizations is to support this project so that all secondary schools in Ghana can have access to this facility, and then support the women in the kitchen to promote quality cooking in our secondary schools. Thank you very much. My name is Konyo Oliver, the project lead for EEK Consult and Electricals Limited. Thank you.